Hi, this is Joseph Becker. Let's say one of my clients is a podiatric foot and ankle surgeon and they want to connect with primary care physicians in the Chicago area. How are we going to do that with LinkedIn? So we're going to jump into Sales Navigator here and do a lead filter search. I'm going to do my second and third degree connections here. Geography, I'm going to go do Chicago, Illinois. And current job title is what I'm going to go after. Next, I'm going to type in primary care physician here. Now I can see I have 44 results. So I can also do family doctor. I can do family physician. I can do general practitioner. We can even search specific companies if we want to go only in certain health networks. We can search specific towns. Say we're not quite in Chicago. We want to do a little search just outside of it, or we want to do just a zip code search. Right now I'm just doing the Chicago area. Okay, so how many search results? All right, so we have 662 here. Now what I can do is, some people will list their job title differently on LinkedIn. This is where that's being pulled from. So what I can also do is I can do Chicago. That's going to give us more results. And I can also do, all right, that gives us 15. And that's a great number to start with. So on LinkedIn, we can connect with about 50 per day. So that's about 1,500 per month. So that would be about this search group here. Typically, we see about 300 connections in the first month. Out of that, about 20% people will connect with you right away. About another 20% of that, 60 or so, will try to set up calls for you or be interested in a call. And of that, and about another 20%, about 12 people will start to become new referral partners each month. And that's, one of them sends you a patient, that's, maybe 12 new patients every single month coming through. So that's a really quick way to do a search for primary care physicians if you're a podiatric surgeon in the Chicago area. Thanks for watching.